And now, get ready for Sonic Record 55, right here on YouTube Originals.
Why would you ask me that, Tails? Well, you see, it's summer and it's gonna be very, very hot, and I just want to have a delicious cold treat, just so I won't have to deal with the summer all the time. Well, why is that cold treat that you want, Tails? I want to have some ice cream. Well, you're not gonna get any ice cream, Tails. Why? Well, it's because I spent all my money on some chili dogs. So just eat something else. But Sonic, the food in here sucks. I want a cold, delicious treat. I want a chocolate ice cream. Well, you're not gonna get a chocolate ice cream, Tails. I said no. Why? Because I just said that I don't have any money. Why? Tails, will you stop saying why? Why? Oh my God, just wait until winter, Tails. What? Winter? It's summer, Sonic! Imagine me having an ice cream in winter, and when winter is very, very cold, and I'm gonna have a cold treat? I was just wondering if you can give me
Feeling kind of bored, so I have no idea what am I doing here. So it looks like I have no idea how to play this game. Hey, Red Yoshi! Guess what? Hey, Toad. I'm watching Sonic Record 55, the series. So what's up?
Get in the house. Just get in the house. Wait, can you please give me someone? No! Aww.
I got a surprise for you.
I don't know.
Will you please tell me what's a surprise? Ah, just kidding. It was a joke. Anyways, I just wanted to tell you something. Okay, what is it? Why does everyone have to know that, Cooper just got hit by his sister? What are you talking about? Cooper hit his sister, and now she's in real pain. And then she's gonna take the Debbie's hit by her father. Well, that sounds like a pretty good question to me. Yeah, sounds like it. So hey, I haven't heard about my new speech. Let's see what's on TV. I'm watching TV right now. All we have to do is become a world hero, but I would have tried to become a one-time delay. What have I ever tried? What a treat. I never know about kitchen stuff. Alright, so this must be the water bottle that you want to drink, right? Yes? Can you tell me why? Here, I'll show you. Perfect drink. Oh man, that's nice perfect water. Oh man. So how do you like it? Well, it tastes like very good. Did you know? Well, looks like it has some Kool-Aid in here, but don't worry. Be nice and comfy. I love Kool-Aid. What Kool-Aid is this? Grape? Grape? What type of grape? Like vitamin C. Vitamin C? What type of vitamin C? Citrus. You mean citrus delicious? Yes, I know that, but I haven't still a lot of it that one time. But you got yourself on a crate. Oh, sorry. What a bit. You still got a lot of crate, but I haven't heard. But you did it. Try to get on with it, okay? Yeah, sounds like pretty amazing to me. Okay, that sounds pretty good. I have another piece of water. You want some? Oh boy, water! Give me water! Give me water! Oh man, some water so refreshing! Looks like I'm done. Done! Hey! And it goes down to the trash! Yeah! I don't know how, but would drink this water. But I gotta forget about Christmas next week. Christmas? What's that? Well, Christmas has lots of presents. If you're nice, you get a lot of presents. If you're naughty, you get coal. Or you get no presents. But you should give us a Santa Claus some milk and cookies. Draw a nice list about things that you want for Christmas and everything. I don't even get it what you're saying. But I look like have a... I didn't even know. Excuse me about that. Hold on. I'll go back to my room. Ooh. Okay. That sounds kind of awful. Alright. Let's see how he's doing. Hey, Toad, how you feeling? Not that quite much. Okay? Okay, sounds like it's gonna be okay if I go up to your room. Oh crap! Look at this! No! No!